How to fix Google Drive download error. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Drive download error. So guys, for this, first of all, make sure that your internet connection is on. And the second step is that you have to go to your phone settings and then go to install apps or app manager. Here is it, and then you have to search for Drive here and then click here. And now guys, you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop and you have to press OK. And then now you have to again click on storage and then you have to clear all the data here. Now go back and then click on app permission and you have to allow all the permission here if it is unallowed. So now go back to the settings and then you can see here about phone. Click on about phone and then press on the system update. Now guys, you have to see whether there is anything available for the update. You have to update it and then go back, restart the phone and reopen the application. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.